I'm Devin Gneiting from Killeen, Texas, own Killeen Dental, and we just had a wonderful dental explosion day with Bert. Learned a lot of areas where our office can improve. We're really excited about things that we're already doing, and the encouragement she gave us to improve things, very small things that will create very big differences in our office and our hygiene production. One of the biggest things that I got out of today was the excitement that she brought for our office, in creating excitement for the program that she's bringing to us and what it can do for our office. Even since she's left, even before she's left, I've had a conversation with some of the hygienists, and they're excited. They feel the program's achievable. They feel like what she's suggesting and the ideas she has are very implementable. So we're very excited to have her and continue with this. Thank you, Bert.